Okay, this video is how to use the new upload flow in YouTube Studio. Okay, so first of all, we've got to upload a video, right? So let's go over to create. This is your upload button here. And it's going to open up another little button. And then we've got to do upload video. You can go live or you can create a post, but we're just going to upload a video. And so it gives you this box. You still have the choice of using the Upload Classic, but you know what? We're not going to do that. You can drag and drop a file from your desktop if you want. But you know what? We've got it on the desktop. I'm just going to select it from the desktop. So let's hit Select File. So we go in here, and it shows our different videos, how to upload a video in the new YouTube Studio. And I want this one right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload this video. So I'm going to go choose. I've highlighted it. See, if I did this, it would be that. So I go here, I highlight that. And then I go to choose and bam. See this rain falling? That means that sucker's going in there. All right, so anyway, this is how to upload a video in the new YouTube Studio. I'm going to do a Command C and I'm going to drop it down here. And then we're going to go down and we're going to, as you can see, it's uploading. So down here, it's got about 10%. We need it to get all the way in before we can even look at it. These are auto-generated. So you can see it says auto-generating, auto-generating. They give you 3 choices, and then you can pick your own if you want. When you do your thumbnail, you've got to make sure that you make it small enough and the right dimensions to get it on there. I usually just do a screenshot. All right, which is basically Shift Command 4 and then drag my cursor over the picture that I want from the video. So, but we want to put it in a playlist. So this is a YouTube tutorial, so let's put it there. And do we really need to put it in anything else? Yeah, let's just do that. Now you got to click done. If you don't click done, you're not done. So click done. Now you're like, whoa, wait a minute. Now where do I put my hashtags or my tags? First of all, before we do that, audience, is this video made for kids? What I've done is I've set this up in my settings so that no matter what I put on here, it says no, it's not made for kids. Because some of my videos may have, stuff in them that kids shouldn't see, and I don't really use kids in my videos. So and mine are pointed more towards an adult audience. And this is, you have to do this because this is legally required to comply to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA. So anyway, make sure you do that. All right, now you're thinking, where do I put my hashtags? Where do I put my tags? I got to tag this bad boy. Well, if you look, there's another thing. It says more options. We're still on this page. What it's going to do is going to open up a little bit more of a window for you. And now you can take your finger over your mouse and scroll down or scroll up, depending on how you've set up your mouse. And they're going to ask you, is that paid promotion? This video contains paid promotion. Nope, it's not. Add a message to my video to inform. Nope, none of that. What we want to do is we want to go and we want to put tags in here. All right, so this is upload. Let's also put flow. Let's put YouTube. Let's do one word. Let's do that. Nope, cancel. Let's put in there a video. Let's put dashboard. Let's put creator. Let's put studio. And let's put, what else can we put in there that would be a good one? You guys got any ideas? I think that's enough, right? So let's go down a little bit farther. I've already set mine to always English. I don't really care about a lot of this other stuff, but I do want to change the category, and I want to make it a how-to. So we definitely want to do that. And comments visible, yeah, hold potential. I've got it so to hold potentially inappropriate comments. And So that's pretty much it here. It's got a standard YouTube license. And I think we're ready to go. We still don't have our thumbnails yet, but the video is still processing. This is the URL if you want to use that, and this is the name of the video. If you put your cursor over it, it gives you this little, gives you two of them. So they're still working on all this. They're trying to get it all together. But that's pretty much your page here. Up here you got your title, here's your description, here's your thumbnails, here's your playlist, here's your COPP area. Make sure you put no, and I would try to stay away from any kid stuff. And then here's your tags, here's your language. Yeah, you can put that stuff in. I really don't put it in there because mine's for anywhere in the world. Standard license, my category is how to, and that's pretty much it. And then what we need to do is come over here and hit next. It's going to bring us to monetize. Now you want to monetize it, so you got to click on here, you got to click on, and then you have to click on done. Okay, so as you can see, I let them put anything on here. Here's all the different types of ads. Display ad, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable. Whatever they want to put on there, put them on there. Before the video, during the video, after, yeah, go ahead. Auto-generate that and get as many ads on there as possible. All right, let's go to next. All right, video elements. You can complete this step after standard definition versions of the video have been processed. While you wait, you can close the screen and go to the next step. So anyway, you can, there's adding cards and all that stuff, but that's really done in the editor on the video page. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to go to next. All right, here we are. Now you can schedule when you want to publish it by clicking here, right? Now you can publish it public. You want it public. Yes, I want it public. You can make it unlisted or private, or you can set it as a premiere and then schedule it down here. I'm just going to put it on right now. I mean, let's get it on there. Let's get people watching it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click publish. I might change this. This is my thumbnail right now. I mean, I don't really like that much. I may change that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Bam. Now it should take us right back to our channel video page. Oh, look here, it's asking us if we want to share it on our social media. Right now I'm not going to do that, but you could put it on Facebook, Twitter, a number of these things, LinkedIn, linked out. All right, so let's go ahead and close that for now. Oh, also you could copy the link here too. But anyway, bam, closed. Now let's go to our page. It's how to upload a video in the new YouTube Studio. So let's go ahead and let's edit that. Let's see what other ones they self-generated. This one don't look that good. This one don't look that good. This one don't look that good. I want to get a better thumbnail for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find that video that we just made. I think this is it here. I'm going to click it. It's going to open up. I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to drag it over. And I'm thinking that I want to find something that looks good. And this looks kind of cool right here. So if I take and I go Shift Command 4 on my keyboard, then I can just drag this over and I can make a little thumbnail out of it. And it should be small enough that I can put it on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. Whoops. Close that. Pull this back. Let's go to our thumbnail. Let's click on it. And let's go into this board. And let's find that shot that I just took. There it is. Upload a video. Because that's basically what we're trying. We want to put something on there that tells them what we're doing. So I highlighted this screenshot. It should fit in there. It's small enough. It's a PNG. Only 79 gigabytes. Here we go. Choose. Cha-ching. Now all we got to do is save it. Bam. And that is how you use the new flow system and how you upload a video to the new YouTube Studio. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on YouTube. And as they change it, I will make new videos. If you have a question or you can't figure something out, ask me in the comments and I'll make a video for you. That's how I do it. Peace out.